You're so mad we won't eat it? You eat it. How's it taste? Hey, what's up everybody? On this episode, our family takes a trip on the Disney cruise. Join us.
Alright,
whenever you're ready.
Okay, let's go. Just walk straight up here. Come on, hold my hand.
Some people long for a life that is simple and planned, tied with a ribbon. Some people won't sail the sea, 'cause they're safer on land. To follow what's written, but I'd follow you to the great unknown, off to
Good morning, guys. Say good morning, Jay.
I'm feeling better.
Yeah, it's breakfast time. Nothing like a good continental breakfast.
Goodbye.
Let's go.
What? See, Jesse does not care for us. He just ran off on some. I know. He is, but... Alright, go in.
Oh, here's our packing plate.
Yeah.
Ooh, look at our ocean, Jen.
Oh, wow. We actually get an ocean view.
Mommy.
Look at our ocean.
We get a cool ocean.
Yeah.
It still looks like that we're not on the phone.
Oh, yeah. This thing pulls out. You and Daddy can see over here.
Oh, then a dog. I've been pickled.
Hi, Evan.
Oh.
I've been staring at the edge of the water long as I can remember, never really knowing why. I wish I could be the perfect daughter, but I come back to the water no matter how hard I try. Every turn I take, every trail I track, every path I make, every road leads back to the place I know where I cannot go, where I long to be. See the line where the sky meets the sea, it calls me, and no one knows how far it goes. If the wind in my sail on the sea stays behind me, one day I'll know. If I go, there's just no telling how far I'll go.
What is up, everybody? It is so good to see you guys. It's been so long. We're so excited and thankful that you guys watched this video. We had such a good time on the Disney cruise. If you guys have ever been on the Disney cruise before, let us know down below what are some of your favorite thoughts, some of your favorite moments from the Disney cruise. We're going to upload part 2 from our cruise here in the next few days. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you would, just hit like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. We'd be happy to talk to you and chat with you. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.